Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear OneDrive storage to free up space in your Microsoft Cloud account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open OneDrive in your web browser by visiting onedrive.live.com and signing in with your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Check your storage usage by looking at the bottom left corner of the screen where it displays how much space you're using out of your total allocation. Step 3. Review your files and folders to identify large files that you no longer need. Sort your files by size by clicking on the Size column header to find space-consuming items. Step 4. Select files or folders you want to delete by clicking the circle checkbox that appears when you hover over each item. You can select multiple items to delete them in bulk. Step 5. Click the Delete button in the top menu bar to move selected files to the recycle bin. Files in the recycle bin still count toward your storage until permanently deleted. Step 6. Navigate to the recycle bin by clicking on Recycle Bin in the left sidebar to view all deleted files that are waiting to be permanently removed. Step 7. In the recycle bin, select Empty Recycle Bin at the top of the page to permanently delete all files and immediately free up storage space. Step 8. Consider reviewing files shared with you, as these don't count toward your storage but may clutter your OneDrive. Also, check for old versions of files that may be consuming space unnecessarily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.